Welcome! In this quick video, you'll learn how to turn on direct message notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. If you've noticed you're missing new message alerts, don't worry. This simple guide will walk you through every step of the new update, so you never miss a message again. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see a list of menu options: Home, Explore, Notifications, Messages, and more. Go ahead and click on Notifications. Now, at the top right corner of your Notifications page, you'll see a small gear icon labeled Settings. Click on that. This will open up a new settings panel that lets you customize how you receive notifications. Next, find the section labeled Preferences. Click on it to open a list of additional options. From there, select Push Notifications. This is where you can control what types of updates you want to get through your browser. Scroll down until you see the category called Related to You and Your Posts. Under that section, you'll see an option labeled Direct Messages. Make sure the box next to Direct Messages is checked. If it isn't, click to turn it on. Once it's checked, your push notifications for DMs will be active. That's it, you're all set. From now on, you'll get notified whenever someone sends you a direct message, even if you're not currently looking at your Messages tab. If you ever want to turn these alerts off, simply follow the same steps and uncheck that box. Keeping your direct message notifications on is a great way to stay connected and responsive, especially if you use X for business, networking, or staying in touch with friends. So go ahead, make sure those DMs are turned on, and never miss an important message again.